Hello, everyone. Hope you're doing well. Welcome to week 4. So far, everyone's doing excellent in this class, keeping up with their assignments. Chapter 3 review questions. The majority of you have finished. They're due Sunday by end of day, so just a reminder for that. This week's really cool. I give you a full week to work on your APA research paper with no homework. So you want to make sure that you're taking your time to review the things that you need to and related to APA. If you have questions, let me know. Hopefully you've already figured out your topic. The instructions are here. We've been over this before, but take your time in reviewing. Get as much of it as you can done. If you have a rough draft that you want to send me for review via email, I'm happy to do that. I want to help you be successful in this paper. It's a large part of your final. Be sure to take your time and do the best you can. You're going to do really good if you take your time, find a good topic, and have a lot of fun with it. A lot of you have used Google Scholar. We've talked about that in the past. Be sure to use that as an example for finding research. And I think there's going to be a lot out there for you. Overall, like I mentioned before, don't stress about the review questions. You have 2 times to complete them. If you want me to open it a second time, reach out. It's meant for studying, so I know it's due tomorrow, but take your time in doing them and take notes because they're meant to help you get ready for the exams. I appreciate everything that you're doing. If you need anything, please reach out. And I hope you have a great week if you watch this on the weekday or weekend if you watch it on the weekend. Thanks so much.